Who wears the pants? Who made the first move? Who's a better kisser? Who's smarter? Who works harder? Who's always right? Who's gonna make more money? Who wants to get married first?
What's up, guys? So here with the family.
Hello.
Yeah, just I watched some YouTube, Razor Blade TV, and yeah, just chillaxing with Bobo. Yeah, and there you be a trouble like kick, like him as some bad man. Watch him. You on the fight? Say hi to the vlog.
We just had some beef patties.
Yeah, it's really nice.
Some beef patties from Juicy Patties, my favorite place. That was good.
Sure.
Goody good.
Yeah, so we're just there going easy back in idea. Yeah, I'm gonna go cook some curry lobster. You see me? Cook down in a coconut juice and thing. Just there go and kill some time still. So yeah. Island here feel like I'm the man. You see me? Like you want me and him punch it out. Bish. Baba. Wow. I see you from over there. Smiling. Laughing. I see you. I see Bobo. Alright?
My donkey.
You ready, Bobo? Ready for the song? Ready? Let's go. So Island is a boy that loves to play. And Island is a boy that loves to dance. Island is a boy that loves to sing. And Island is a boy that loves the sun. Island, 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 island. Island, 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 island. Hooray! Yeah! It's your island boy! Right now, me and little island, I'm gonna take a walk to the shop. You see me? So, plan to do some cooking. So, let's talk about scallion and thyme, nothing much. Just for season the pot, you see me? So, me in the island, about to walk out. You ready, Bobo? Let's go. So, we are on the road now, my people. You see me? Yeah. Nice little evening walk with Bobo. Hey Bobo, say hi to the vlog. Yeah guys, so let's go to the supermarket close by and things, so that's what's up. Yeah guys, so got the scallion on time and there with Bobo. I'm quiet, peaceful, I enjoy the walk. You see me? So yeah, you really get used to me now guys. I love that. It's amazing. We're bonding now, you see it? It's a vibe. Well, let's go now. I'm at thing. What's up guys? Africa there again, you see me? Alright guys, so right now we have some lobster, you see me? We're gonna scald off and cook down in a coconut juice. Curry lobster, you see me? So yeah guys, first time in the kitchen, you see me? I ain't no pro chef or anything, but yeah, you see me, with some white rice and thing, you see me? So we can go on in. So let's go now. She wanna go and stay. So we have the lobster here, I'm gonna scald off and thing. Some scallion and thyme, Irish, garlic, onion, carrot. And then you see me? Chew and I blender, you see me, and juice that. You know the vibes. So hey guys, that I pre right now. So let's go now. I'm at thing. Alright guys, so scald off the lobster and thing. So I'm gonna pick them out of the shell. You see me? Yeah man, so that's the vibe right now. Good thing me is a fisherman. Now if I buy these things, I swear y'all, it's a vibe. So let's get this going. lobster, guys. Just the tail. You know, I'm gonna have the patience right now for really deal with the head part of it. So, you guys, me just pick out the tail them and that's it.
Yes, I die. You know why? For real star, for true. Me die for the youths them. Me die for the youths them. Long time, and I left them out. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things, not money. We say youths for your things, house and land, car and van, woman. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things, not money. We say youths for your things, house and land, car and van. Enough got the money, don't got the money. Enough got the money, don't got the money. Me not give a drink, me a give a start in a life. If you come back a beg, that mean you know why the youths them dirty. Enough criticize when the youths them clean. Them come and sympathize. Them say me a the done from Portland, but this I done and I do not know where wrong. For rich people me sit down, for poor people me stand. I and I now mix up with dirty Babylon. Am I right, am I wrong? I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things, not money. We say youths for your things, house and land, car and van, woman. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things, not money. We say youths for your things, house and land, car and van. Take a shoes, take a pants, take a shirt. You know see how hard them have you a walk. This a not election time. Come with pretty smile, me a run money pon the youths. Them like River Nile, long a Portland, go left a portion, go long Kingston. Me a bring some. You see if you happy, that a my law. People take advantage when you a papa. Gun on the book, which one you rather? I know everybody have a mother, much less father. I miss a youths for your things. I miss a youths for your things, not money. We say youths for your things, house and land, car and van, go on.
So guys, this is me have cook white rice. And remember, some have a piece of pumpkin. You see me, so I go drop that in the rice too, you see me? With some coconut juice left back, you see me, so yeah guys, It's a vibe.
Me nah give a drink, me a give a start in a life. If you come back I beg, that mean you know why the youths them dirty. Enough criticize when the youths them clean, them come and sympathize. Them say me a the done from Portland, but this I done nah do not know where wrong. For rich people me sit down, for poor people me stand. I and I nah mix up with dirty Babylon. Am I right, am I wrong? Amaze a youths for your things. Amaze a youths for your things, not money. We say you.
Alright guys, so done cook you know. So that are the pumpkin rice. So have the curry lobster over here. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna share out some now for me and Maria and make she try it, you see me? And make she tell me how it tastes, you see me? So yeah guys, stay tuned for that. Blessings. And just please subscribe to the channel, you see me? Blessings. Hey guys, so they're here, share the food and everything. I have Chica here with me, my fiance.
I'm gonna try it.
Yeah, so
I can't wait any longer, guys. This smells so good.
should give me your honest opinion.
Alright.
Yeah.
Here we go. I had a little try the rice. Not the rice is good.
Yeah.
But let's try this lobster.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my Jesus. You know what? I'm just gonna stick it in my mouth. Mmm.
You like it?
Mm-hmm. Mmm.
Yeah, cook down coconut juice.
Wow, 10 out of 10, babe. Jesus Christ, that's nice.
I don't know if I'm that great of a chef, but yeah.
Who's a cook?
Some little thing, yeah?
That's nice, baby.
Yeah. Nice.
Beautiful, guys. You're missing out.
Yeah.
Oh my God, it's not just my dad calling me.
So yeah guys, yeah, that's it for the day, you know. Cook for my fiance and thing. Some lobster. Yeah, curry lobster and pumpkin rice. You see me? So yeah man, I go shell down mine you know and enjoy the evening with my fiance and you see me? Yeah guys, so hope you really enjoy watching and do the right thing. Give us that thumbs up.
Thumbs up.
Subscribe. Like and share. Yeah. Bye guys.
Bye, guys. Is it on?
Yeah.